We oftentimes get calls in the office, people asking if they can just hire one attorney. You can't hire, an attorney can only represent one person. So I would never take on a case and represent both the husband and the wife in the case. But there are many times that I am the attorney for, say, the wife on a case, and the husband doesn't hire an attorney. So if you're talking about hire one attorney with the understanding like that, where the attorney represents one of you, then yes, you can have one attorney. It's not required that each of you have an attorney. It's just very important to understand that the person who actually hires the attorney, that attorney is the attorney only for that person. Now, that being said, that doesn't mean that I'm going to take advantage of the situation that the other person doesn't have an attorney and try to come up with an agreement that's totally outside the realm of anything that would possibly happen. I don't practice law that way. So even if I am the only attorney on the case, when I'm counseling with my client about, okay, what kind of division of the asset and how are we going to do the parenting plan, I very much keep my client understanding what's reasonable in the realm of things that would happen, so as to not take advantage. And one of the reasons that you don't want to take advantage of the person is you don't want to finalize your case and within 30 days have them go see an attorney and have them come back in and try to undo the divorce that you just finalized. So it's very important that when you get a final divorce decree that it stays final. So even if it's a situation where I am the only attorney that's on the case, it is possible that your spouse can then just take the divorce decree when I draft it up and it's delivered to them. They can take that decree to another attorney to just look over it and to make sure that it complies with what they think the agreement is. And I have other attorneys that I work with. If you want such a referral to an attorney like that, that helps oftentimes so that your spouse doesn't just go to some attorney who may be a big litigator and really tries to take what's a reasonable agreement and turn it into some big litigated case.